on my moves on to everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you.
There's something about the way the street looks when it's just rain. There's a glow off the pavement. You walk me to the car, and you know I wanna ask you to dance right there in the middle of the parking lot. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can be tough, I can be strong, but with you, it's not like that at all. There's a girl that gives a shit behind this wall. You just walk through it, and I remember all those crazy things you said. You left them running through me. Chest to chest, nose to nose, palm to palm, we were always just that close. Wrist to wrist, toe to toe, lips that felt just like the inside of a rose. So how come
what time is it where you are?
I miss you more than anything?
Back at home you feel so far.
Waiting for the phone to ring.
It's getting lonely living upside down. I don't even wanna be in this town. Trying to figure out the time zone's making me crazy. You say all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrong